And once the error clears and hot water flows normally again, the E5 issue is resolved. On a Rheem Tankless water heater, error code E5 usually means the water flow rate is too high, often caused by pressure problems, dirty sensors, or airflow issues around the unit. If the E5 error keeps coming back even after basic troubleshooting, the safest option is to contact a professional technician. Internal problems like faulty sensors, incorrect gas pressure, or heat exchanger issues require proper tools and expertise to fix safely. Before calling a technician, try resetting the unit. Turn off the circuit breaker or power switch connected to the tankless water heater. Wait a few minutes, and then turn the power back on. This reset can clear temporary system errors. Another important step is cleaning the water flow sensor. Locate the sensor near the water inlet of the heater and gently clean it using a soft cloth or brush. Remove any debris or mineral buildup so the sensor can move freely and detect water flow accurately. You should also adjust the water pressure regulator. Locate the regulator near your main water shutoff valve and use a wrench to slowly turn it clockwise to reduce water pressure. Make sure the pressure stays within the recommended range, usually between 40 and 80 pounds per square inches. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained what Rheem Tankless water heater error code E5 means and how to fix it step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful home repair guides. Thanks for watching.